Are you planning to take the Master Plumbing Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to the Master Plumbing Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully for the plumbing arithmetic. Without further ado, let's start.
Question number 1. Any non-zero number divided by 0 is blank. Letter A, indeterminate. Letter B, undefined. Letter C, 0. Letter D, infinite. The answer is letter B, undefined. Question number 2. Considered the father of geometry, he is chiefly known for the Elements treatise, which established the foundations of geometry that largely dominated the field until the early 19th century. Letter A, Aristotle. Letter B, Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi. Letter C, Hipparchus. Letter D, Euclid. The answer is letter D, Euclid. Question number 3. It is a branch of mathematics that deals with the occurrence of a random event. Letter A, combination. Letter B, statistics. Letter C, permutation. Letter D, probability. The answer is letter D, probability. Question number 4. A small subtheorem that needs to be proven in the process of proving a larger result. Letter A, lemma. Letter B, hypothesis. Letter C, postulate. Letter D, corollary. The answer is letter A, lemma. Question number 5. An expression of two terms is called blank. Letter A, trinomial. Letter B, binomial. Letter C, monomial. Letter D, polynomial. The answer is letter B, binomial. Question number 6. The line between the numerator and the denominator is called the blank. Letter A, separator. Letter B, vinculum. Letter C, solidus. Letter D, obolus. The answer is letter B, vinculum. Question number 7. The number 0.123123123 and so on is a or in blank. Letter A, irrational number. Letter B, surd. Letter C, rational number. Letter D, transcendental. The answer is letter C, rational number. Question number 8. Which of the following cannot be an operation of matrices? Letter A, addition. Letter B, subtraction. Letter C, multiplication. Letter D, division. The answer is letter D, division. Question number 9. For a cubic equation, if the discriminant is equal to 0, we produce blank. Letter A, 3 equal real roots. Letter B, 1 real root and 2 conjugate complex roots. Letter C, 3 distinct real roots. Letter D, 3 real roots, of which 2 are equal. The answer is letter D, 3 real roots, of which 2 are equal. Question number 10. In the quadratic equation a squared x plus bx plus c equals 0, when the two roots are multiplied, the result is blank. Letter A, c over a. Letter B, negative b over a. Letter C, negative c over a. Letter D, b over a. The answer is letter A, C over A. Question number 11. How is a number in the Pascal's triangle obtained? Letter A, by getting the product of the two numbers directly above it. Letter B, by getting the sum of the two numbers directly above it. Letter C, by getting the difference of the two numbers directly above it. Letter D, by getting the mean of the two numbers directly above it. The answer is letter B, by getting the sum of the two numbers directly above it. Question number 12. The value of probability of any outcome will never be equal to nor exceed blank. Letter A, 0.1. Letter B, 0.5. Letter C, 0.75. Letter D, 1.0. The answer is letter D, 1.0. Question number 13. All number multiplied by blank equals unity. Letter A, negative of the number. Letter B, 1. Letter C, conjugate. Letter D, its reciprocal. The answer is letter D, its reciprocal. Question number 14. The number denoted as E and equals to 2.718 and so on is called blank. Letter A, Einstein's constant. Letter B, Euler's number. Letter C, Utosha's number. Letter D, Euclid's number. The answer is letter B, Euler's number. Question number 15. The sum of the squares of the sine and cosine of an angle. Letter A, 0. Letter B, 1. Letter C, 90. Letter D, 180. The answer is letter B, 1. Question number 16. Who invented logarithms in 1614? Letter A, Henry Briggs. Letter B, Leonhard Euler. Letter C, Guillaume L'Hopital. Letter D, John Napier. The answer is letter D, John Napier. Question number 17. Which of the following is not a property of a triangle? Letter A, the sum of the three angles is always equal to two right angles. Letter B, the sum of two sides is less than the third side. Letter C, if two sides are equal, the angles opposite are unequal. Letter D, the altitudes of the triangle meet in a point. The answer is letter B, the sum of two sides is less than the third side. Question number 18. If the eccentricity is less than 1, the curve is blank. Letter A, parabola. Letter B, ellipse. Letter C, hyperbola. Letter D, circle. The answer is letter B, ellipse. Question number 19. A tetrahedron has blank vertices. Letter A, 4. Letter B, 3. Letter C, 6. Letter D, 5. The answer is letter A, 4. Question number 20. What type of conic section with an equation a squared x minus c squared y plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0? Letter A, parabola. Letter B, ellipse. Letter C, circle. Letter D, hyperbola. The answer is letter D, hyperbola. Question number 21. The force due to gravity does not work on objects that blank. Letter A, fall to the ground. Letter B, is moved vertically upward. Letter C, is moved parallel to the surface of the earth. Letter D, all of the above. The answer is letter C, is moved parallel to the surface of the earth. Question number 22. A leak from a faucet comes out in separate drops. Which of the following is the main cause of this phenomenon? Letter A, surface tension. Letter B, air resistance. Letter C, gravity. Letter D, viscosity of the fluid. The answer is letter A, surface tension. Question number 23. The acceleration of a system is directly proportional to and in the same direction as the net external force acting on the system, and inversely proportional to its mass. This theory is popularly known as blank. Letter A, Newton's second law of motion. Letter B, Faraday's law of force. Letter C, Newton's third law of motion. Letter D, D'Alembert's principle. The answer is letter C, Newton's third law of motion. Question number 24. The blank is an absolute temperature scale with 0 at absolute 0. Because it is an absolute scale, measurements made using this scale do not have degrees. Letter A, Celsius temperature scale. Letter B, Kelvin temperature scale. Letter C, Fahrenheit temperature scale. Letter D, Rankine temperature scale. The answer is letter B, Kelvin temperature scale. Question number 25. Which of the following is true about mass and weight? Letter A, mass is a scalar quantity and weight is a vector quantity. Letter B, mass is a vector quantity and weight is a scalar quantity. Letter C, both mass and weight are vector quantities. Letter D, both mass and weight are scalar quantities. The answer is letter A, mass is a scalar quantity and weight is a vector quantity. That's all for this set. Comment on your score below. Thank you and good luck.